Okay, everybody. Good morning, children. Today, now I am going to discuss the science paper part 2. This is the part 2 of the previous paper. Okay, let's go through the question. Several plant leaves collected by students in grade 6 in a field trip around the school are shown below. There are some leaves: A. Bow, B. Curry leaves, C. Rubber leaves, D. Jack leaves, and E. Mango leaf. Name the two main groups that the above leaves can be classified if they are classified using a dichotomous key. In a dichotomous key, usually we use the features what we can see called appearance. By using their appearance, we divide in dichotomous key. There are two main types of leaves, which are the simple leaves. Simple leaves contain only one leaf, and there are small leaflets around the stem. These type of leaves called compound leaves. Then there are two types of leaves. First one, simple leaves, and second one, compound leaves. Then Roman number 1, simple leaves. Roman number 2, compound leaves. Okay. Then Roman number 2, write a special feature that can be seen in a bow leaf. Write the special features that can be seen in a bow leaf. What is the special feature of the bow leaf? There is a special pin here. There is a special pin. Other leaves do not have that pin. A special feature is having the pin in bow leaves. Third one, name another plant leaf similar to curry leaf which is not present above. This is curry leaf. There are so many trees with this type of leaves called compound leaves. Compound leaves have in tamarind. Siabala, tamarind. In tamarind leaves, we can see this type of combined leaves. And Gladiceria, you call what do you call them? Gladiceria called Vatamara. Gladiceria also have this type of leaves. And Katurumurunga also have this type of leaves. Okay, there are so many. Next one, what is the benefit obtained from a dichotomous key in a classification of organisms? The most important beneficiation of using a dichotomous key is we can separate them by using the appearance. We consider just the appearance. By considering the appearance, we can classify them. In fifth one, mention a feature that differs curry leaves and rubber leaves from each other. Rubber leaves have alone leaves. They are not leaflets. But in curry leaves, this is the leaf. I am circling. This area is the leaf, and there are small parts of that leaf called leaflets. But rubber do not have leaflets. They are simple type of leaves. In curry leaves there are compound type of leaves. That means they have leaflets, small leaf particles. That is the difference. Having leaflets with curry leaves, but rubber do not have leaflets. Okay. Then next one. B. The organism collected from the above field trip are grouped into three groups. What are the above three groups? Actually, they ask the three main types of organisms in the environment: plants, other one animals, and other one, what do you think? Microorganisms. Plants, animals, and microorganisms are three main types of organisms in the environment. One species, Roman number 2, one species of organisms called from the field trip cannot be seen by the naked eye. Name an instrument that can be used to observe such organisms. The instrument that can be used to observe microorganisms are called as microscope. That should be a light microscope. Light microscope also called as compound microscope. That is light microscope or compound microscope. Okay, next one. Roman number 3. Mention a place or environment that the above organisms can be present. A place or environment. Microorganisms are living in each and everywhere. In air, in the soil, in the water. In the water means in the road water, and on the foods, in our skin, on our skin, in the body, each and everywhere microorganisms can be seen. Corona also like that. They ask about one place or environment. There are so many places: air, soil, on the animals, in the animals, in water. They are the places. Okay. Next question. This diagram shows a device fixed on the roof of certain houses. This figure have you seen? Sometimes in your homes also you would have this type of instruments. We call this, identify this device and name it. This is called solar power water heater. This is a solar power water heater. What is the use of it? We use this one to heat water without power and by using the solar energy. This one is used to heat water by using solar energy. Third one. Explain the reason for being this more advantageous. Actually, this equipment is more advantage. How is that? This one no need power. This one just need the solar power, solar energy. Solar energy can be take free, no? Then we should not pay for energy for using this equipment. That is the most important advantage. And the environmental pollution is zero by using this type of equipments. Then fourth one, mention two other instances that solar energy is used in the home. Mention two other instances that solar energy is used in the home. What are other things? Solar energy used to dry chilies. Solar energy used to dry chilies. Solar energy used to dry our clothes. Solar energy used to dry our clothes. Solar energy used to dry various type of spices. Various type of spices can be dried by using energy of solar. Next one. Second question A. A simple activity done in the classroom is shown below. Smoke of joss sticks was put into the bottle and laser torch was lit up. Roman number 1. Draw the path of the light ray emitted from the place X in the above diagram. X means this is the direct perpendicularly, that means directly. If you light directly, this comes directly and do not turn to anywhere. Do not turn to anywhere. That should be in this direction. You can see the cursor, this direction. Roman number 2. When the place of the torch is changed from X to Y, Y is here now. Y is here. You can see Y is here. What will happen to the path of the light ray? If you enter the light from Y, that means there is an angle, no? With that angle, the light ray can be bended. Light ray can be bended. That is the answer. Then you should draw as a bended way. Light should be bended. When the place of the torch is changed from X to Y, what will happen to the path? That is the answer. What will happen to the path of the light way? The light way would be bended. Roman number 3. What is the conclusion you can attain from this activity? Here we can see smoke, no? Then here there is normal air. When light attend to a medium from another medium, the light beams can be bended. When light beams attend into a medium from another medium, then light rays can be bended. That is the conclusion. In fourth one, mention the reason for the laser torch being more suitable than the normal torch for the activity. Laser torch gives a straight light beam that is parallelly gone, but a normal torch light which is spread, that is not parallel, then we can't identify the direction, real direction of the light. That is the reason. Fifth one, mention 2 instances that laser rays are used in the medical field. Laser rays are used in the medical field. In medical field, we use laser rays for having X-rays. When taking X-ray, there is a beam of laser rays to identify the place of the body when having X-rays. Other one, laser rays can be do some small surgeries, small microsurgeries, just like in our eye. Laser rays can force on our eye lens. These two are uses of medical field of laser rays. And there is another one that's very rare. Laser rays are used to remove spots on the skin also. Then there are 3 uses in medical field of laser rays: when taking X-rays, when doing eye surgeries, and when removing spots on the skin. Okay. Next one, B. This diagram shows a musical instrument made by using 6 pen tubes, in which one end is closed and gum tape and a strip of cardboard. How is sound produced by this? This produces sound by vibrating the air. That is how. Second one, will each tube creates a same rhythm? Will each tube creates the same rhythm? No. With the length, the rhythm can be changed. With the length of the tube, the rhythm can be changed. No. Mention the reason for your answer. With the length, the frequency is decreased. When increasing the length, the frequency of sound is decreased. When shortening the length, the frequency of sound is increased. That is why the rhythm is changed with the length. Next one. What do you call the non-formal sound with a rhythm, without a rhythm? What do you call the non-formal sound without a rhythm? That is a noise, not a music. That is a noise. Just like in our school, no? Okay. Fifth one. Mention a factor that should be considered when we use instrument with various sounds. Mention a factor that should be considered when we use instrument with various sounds. There are some factors affecting on the instrument sound, which are there are instruments made by strings. By vibrating strings we can produce sound, which are called guitars, sitar, violin likewise. And there are instruments which produce sound by vibrating air, just like this one, and melodica, serpina, and each type of nala. And there's another one which is made with membranes and sticks. We call that percussions. They produce sound by vibrating membranes and sticks. Okay, let's move to the next one. Third one, specific properties of solid matter are used in making various materials. Fill the table below using materials used in day-to-day life. Instance of using: making jewelry. Materials used: gold. Specific properties of the matter used: gold is shiny, with the shiny and the specific yellowish color. Shiny and the specific yellowish color. Material used: rubber. We can have vehicle tires. Material used: rubber. What is the specific property of the rubber? Rubber can absorb vibrations. Absorbing vibrations. Making sheets. Marking sheets. Iron. Materials: iron. The specific properties of matter use: when making marking sheets with iron, that can formed as sheets. There are some materials cannot make sheets, but iron can make sheets. The ability of making sheets is the answer here. The ability of making sheets. Used for cutting glass. Cutting glass, we use diamond. The specific property is hardness. Diamond is the hardest non-metal in the world. Now B1. This diagram shows an instance of using biomass, but is shown by this diagram. What is this? This is a cooker. Which cooker? Firewood powder cooker. Firewood powder. We insert here firewood powder. Likudu. firewood powder cooker. Mention 2 biomasses that can be used for this. We can use firewood and we can use hay, hay, hay also, and dahaya. Yes. Third one, write an instance of using this. The instance of using this is very eco-friendly cooker. Then we can see a full combustion of this firewood powder. Then we can cook anything than more than other cookers speedily. We can cook speedily. Mention an error that take place when this is used. Mention an error that takes place when this is used. Can you see an error? Can you see an error? Yes, there is an error, which is this one is made with the metal tin. Metal tin is a heat conductor. Then more than heat in our cooking container, this metal tin is heated. If we use this one also by mat or any other non-conducting material, then we can bypass that error. Okay, students, we can discuss other part next day. Please refill this by using this video, and I'll upload this video to YouTube, and I'll send you the link. Then you can refill what you didn't fill. Okay, then see you next day. Bye bye.